Hi, I'm going to discuss why transfer of learning is an important concept for motor learning. Transfer of learning is an important concept because it shows that what you're doing as a professional is working with a client of some sort, is making progressions that can be applied in new or real life contexts. Gentile's taxonomy of motor skills provides a structured progression table to identify where a person is on a skill. And Gentile's taxonomy can be used to help structure a progression from a simple squat in an environment that is safe, controlled, and stable, all the way up to advance up to perhaps surfing, where the ground is unstable and very unpredictable. But you as a professional have to build a way to transfer these motions from the easy, safe environment to the harder, difficult environment that is the real world. As a professional, we try to see positive transfer, which is where what we did in the controlled environment translated well into the real world application of the skill. The more similarities there are between the controlled skill and the real world application, the evidence of positive transfer is present. Negative transfer is a possibility to keep in mind when a learner is learning a skill. If a skill in the controlled environment has a negative effect on the real world application, then we can say that there was negative transfer. Negative transfer tends to be more short term because as the learner keeps learning, they will remove unnecessary emotions involved in the skill. And lastly, there is a possibility that there is zero transfer, meaning that past skill learning had no effect on the new skill. A real world example would be shooting a basketball in a game. So let's say you didn't have a basketball, but you had a volleyball and a baseball. As far as transference goes, shooting the volleyball would likely show positive transfer since the balls are similar to size and weight. Then the baseball, which is might show negative transfer since it is neither the same size or weight. And kicking a volleyball into the basket may not help shooting the ball, which would show zero transfer. And in regards to Gentile's taxonomy, it would be useful to map out the progression from practicing with the volleyball up to the live game shot with appropriate equipment.